the present perfect continuous. I've been watching a lot of movies on Netflix lately. I've been watching. So we've been practicing this grammar for a little while now. Have you been doing? I've been playing. I've been going. Have you been doing? How long have you been doing that? Have you been studying? Have you been going to? Have you been working there? Has your family been living? So we've already been practicing this. All right. So what is the verb in the example? This is the verb. Okay. And what is needed to form that verb? So what's first? We have. What's next? We have been. And what's last? A verb with ing. Right? Have been watching, studying, going, working, living, etc. Okay, and so we have the present perfect continuous. This is the present perfect. Have and the past participle of be. Have plus any past participle gives you the present perfect. And then the present continuous, that's be and a verb with ing. You put those together and you get the present perfect continuous. All right, so what does this mean? I've been watching a lot of movies on Netflix lately. Does it mean A, I watched a movie late last night? Lately? At this point in my life, I am spending a lot of time watching movies? Or C, I'm watching a movie right now. So lately does not mean late, it means recently. Okay. So it's not A, and it's not right now necessarily, meaning at this point in time, at this moment, but at this point in my life, meaning it could be minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, or years. So it is B. All right. So on a timeline, it would look like this. Some point when you started doing something, and now. So I've been making this video for, I don't know, 15 minutes. I've been living in Korea for 8 years. Okay, we've been studying together for a few weeks. Okay, so answer these questions using the present perfect continuous, the present perfect continuous, and I'll give you some examples of my own. What have you been doing lately? I've been making a lot of videos lately. Maybe you would say, I've been working a lot lately. So it's something basically new that you're doing, something different. What is something that you do in your free time? When you say lately, that means it's something new, something different. What is something that you do in your free time? I like to go hiking. How long have you been doing it? I've been hiking since I was a boy. So I've been hiking my whole life. Okay.